Hi, it's Andrea with KPI Studio. We're new around here, so for those of you who don't know us, we're a data visualization service that builds actionable and UX-friendly dashboards. And we're doing that with Google Data Studio as a tool of our choice. Today, I want to show you something that was inspired by one of our clients, and it's Facebook ads related. This dashboard. If you're running Facebook ads, that's why you're probably here. I bet you want to see if there is an ad audience matchup that is performing exceptionally well. And this is what this dashboard does, and I will show you what to do so that you can do it yourself. Okay, regularly, if you want to see this matchup, this combo, you would have to go in the platform and shuffle between the campaigns, ad sets, ads tabs, and either keep the data in mind or do all sorts of custom reports, extract your data and process and analyze it, probably in a Google spreadsheet. With Data Studio, it becomes so much easier to see these winning ad audiences combos. What you'll need is obviously the Data Studio connector. We worked with Supermetrics for Facebook ads, but there are 12 other connectors that you can choose from available at the moment. You can also bring your data to a Google Sheet automatically or even manually, although I'm not a fan of working with data manually, so automate as much as you can. Then, although I use this as the second step, you will need to have a flawless naming system. This is actually the most important step, and this analysis cannot be done without it. You need a flawless naming system, or at least a decent one. The good news is that if you don't have one, you can go right now and change the names. For example, the campaign name level, you should include the funnel stage, um, first click, retargeting, loyalty, whatever, however you're naming the steps in your funnel. Then at the ad set name level, you should include the audience that you targeted. For example, lookalikes, customers, recurrent customers, repeated customers, whatever the naming that you chose is. I repeat, so it doesn't matter. Every person, every marketer, and every business owner has a different naming. So just think of your naming and try to put it in the ad set name. And then at the ad name level, include a detailed description, include variables, include the type of ad. For example, blue water bottle, organic, carousel discount. So all the variables that make your ad name as descriptive as possible without you even clicking on it to see what's behind that name. So what's the ad contained after that name. And step 3 is the actual dashboard plus 3 filter controls. These filter controls are related obviously with the campaign level, campaign naming above. And we have the funnel stage, we have the audience, which is actually included in the ad set name, and we have the ad name. For the funnel stage, you will need a case when regex formula. If you're interested in that formula, you can leave a comment and we will send it your way. And now I want to stop with the how-tos and I want to show you the result of that dashboard and what you can do with it. Keep in mind that you will have to group all the elements together. So don't forget to do this, to go to right click. you can shift all the elements, you can press shift and select all the elements and then group them together. This is important because the filters this way will become interdependent. And then if we go to the view mode right here, you can start by filtering by funnel stage and investigate deeper by audience and ad name. Or you can reverse the research and start from the audience and or the ad level. So just start with each of these filters and see the resulting matchup. And of course, in the table below, you can add any metrics that are of interest to you. We chose these ones, but you can, I don't know, if you want to see CPC or if you want to see the landing page views or whatever metric that you want, feel free to add it in the table below. And then I will show you some of the uses of this. So you can see what audiences and ads you're currently using at a certain funnel stage. Then you can see what campaigns are using a certain audience. So let's choose this audience and we will see that. You can filter by certain ads, let's say the ones that contain the word buy, and find out how much revenue these ads bring you. And let's do this exercise. Unfortunately, you'll have to start by deselecting all the ads and then type in your keyword and then select again. And this is how you see your ads. After this, you can just sort by revenue and decide whether or not, or by any metric that is of interest to you, I repeat. And after that, you can decide whether or not you can use that ad with other audiences or other funnel stages. I don't know. That's a possibility too. So that's it. If you found this video useful, you can help us with the gods of algorithms and give it a like. Also, please subscribe. We're planning to have 1 or 2 videos per month. And if you have any questions, leave your comment and we'll reply as soon as possible. And that's it. Thank you, everybody. Talk soon. Bye.